Well, now we are going to see how to fix one of these action cameras. This one is from my drone. I use it as a FPV, this is the antenna, and this is the cable to connect to the power supply. Well, now the camera is not working, and we are going to show you how to fix it. First of all, carefully let's take this part, which is the one that is used to assemble to the drone itself. It's easy, but take it out with care. Now we have to take the power supply from here carefully. Okay, and now with a little precision screwdriver we are going to unscrew all the 6 screws. Now carefully open the camera. Now this is very important. You have to unscrew these small screws here and here carefully. Now we recommend you to wash carefully with some soap and with water. You clean it with care. You have to use clean water for this. A little more of so you clean all the circuit, all the Chinese circuit. And now you take it to the dryer, hand dryer. And now it's time to check if the camera is already fixed. Now you can email your supplier from China and say that the camera is already fixed for free. Make sure that the camera gets the best of the repairment. Now let's see. Oh, beautiful. This is how I want my camera. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to learn how to fix more electric devices from China.